Okay, another issue with W203, multiple issue, motor mount, AC issues, and some others. I want to use this very medium to tell you guys I am not just a AC mechanic. I choose what I decide I want to do in a car. And if you get it twisted, I think that is your own part of cup of tea. But if you don't get it twisted, I get your car back. I am proficient enough to diagnose any problem I want to diagnose with your car. Any problem. And it's not just about diagnosing it, but fixing it. Okay, here we go today on this W203 intermittent cooling. I'm still testing around. I'm looking for what I'm supposed to be expecting on my thermometer. Comparing the result I'm getting and doing my data analysis for the inconsistency and the intermittent function, and see if it is related to what I'm hoping to see. You can see it on the last vent there, and still getting around 9 here, getting around 8. So here seems cooler. I should get around the driver's side of the vent and see what is going to be there. And I'm getting 12, 11. But this car is not in motion, so I need to take the fan up more and see what I'm going to get. As you can see right now, it's on speed 5. There is a poor airflow across this AC thing. That's the first thing first. So the first thing, still checking. Okay guys, I keep you guys posted on how it goes, but so far I think I need to perform that service and let this customer to drive it and come back again and give me results, because I may not have enough time to work on it today completely because of some others. Okay, now here, this is what we're getting. I still need to test other vents. Increase it more. You can see it's 11 and it's on this vent. So this for now is going to be my data analysis, which I'm going to be using to tabulate what I got later about this car AC system. Could be moisture inside the system, could be low refrigerant, and after here I'll be diving into the computer system and see what exactly is going on with it. So I'm getting 22 right now. Yes, this is what I want to see. After putting pressure on the system, it's dropping, and that is what I want to catch. Started blowing hot right away. So now it's coming back on, but I caught it right there. That is okay. Yeah, I caught it right there, and it's straight up, no mistake. Straight up, no mistake. I caught it right there. right there. So this result definitely, so the inside should be blowing hot air, and that is exactly what I'm getting. So let me catch you right there. Let me take you to that spot immediately. It's 49. It's 49 right there. So something is wrong with this car. It could be the computer. It could be the ambient temperature sensor, but I gotta find it. Okay. Okay, so you can see it is 50 right here. So it's blowing really warm outside here, and that is what the person is complaining of. I think I have another Mercedes 2016 model having almost the same issue, but that is a peculiar one. So you can see it is 52 coming 52 out of that vent. So let's look at this side and see what happened. Here is 19. So you have the driver's side blowing warm, and you have the passenger side blowing cooler. And I suppose here is gonna be way cooler. This is 14 and is getting down. So this is something I need to do. I need to perform a case study on and find the lasting solution. So I'm still sure that this side is still heating up. Why will the driver's side be heating up? The temperature of the both sides, look at it, is going 67. That's crazy. Really crazy. Okay. I will still need to go back to the this time. I'm certain that the suction side is still a little bit good and is dropping down. Okay, but weight is still 58. 68 from the driver's side. Why it's cooler on these vents, on these vents, but here is warmer. Okay, let me take it a little bit down to 3. That's my meter reading right there. Let me still get it again. This is still 68, and on this side my hand can tell me that it's still cooler, but here. So at this very point I'm going to hook up my computer to it and see what I find. Definitely there's supposed to be a code for this kind of issue that comes on like this, you know. So that's how this is gonna be, guys. I'm gonna tell you whatever I find out from my scan to